Alright, now I'm going to show you how to graph a system of inequalities. It's very similar to graphing just a single inequality. You have to make sure they're in slope-intercept form. Since I've already covered that, I'm not going to do that. I'm going to start out with, if you need to remember how to do that, refer back to one of the other videos. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I have two inequalities, and remember, solution to any type of inequalities is a graph, so I need to graph. So to graph anything, go to y equals, clear out what's in there, and I'm going to put in my first inequality in y1. So I have negative, and I have to use a negative, not a minus sign, negative x plus 1. That's my first inequality. And my second one is 2x plus 3. So 2x plus 3. Then I'm going to put my inequalities in. So I go over here and I hit enter. And I need less than. Less than is my triangle down low. So that's good. Then I'm going to go down to my next one, and it is also a less than. So I'm going to hit enter here, and I'm going to go down to my triangle down low. I'm going to go down to OK. And now I have to hit graph. Now here's the difference. My first one, you can see my first one graphing, my y1, it shows up blue. And now my y2 is going to show up red. Alright, so here's the part about the system of equations. If I draw these two over here and graph them on my paper here, I'm going to see. My blue one's going to look a little bit like this. Alright, my red one's going to look a little bit like this. And actually my red one is a solid line, but my blue one isn't, and I'm not sure if I could take some blue off with these markers to make it dashed. My blue one has to be dashed because it does not have the or equal to part to it. And if you look at my calculator, my shaded area is only the area where the blue and the red overlap. So it's only this zone right down here. So my only shading is this area down here. I don't want it where it's just blue. I don't want it where it's just red. I need to have shaded where the blue and the red overlap, where they intersect. And that's how you graph a system of inequalities on your calculator.